Yo, what is up, guys? I wanted to hop on in here and just share what just happened in the last bit of 4 hours. It's been kind of crazy just from the start of this morning. I'm supposed to have a fresh start to this morning. It's a Monday. I had set my routine alarms. Supposed to run 2 miles this morning. It's been a tough few weeks for me, but I wanted to come on here and share with you guys. So, as you can see on the screen here, we have a breakout prop firm account, which I haven't used in a while. I've been trading for about 6 years now. And I've used breakout a few times, been profitable, and then been not profitable. You know how it goes. But as you can see, I have 2,219 PNL. I actually need 4,500 to pass this eval. I just got this today, so we're doing pretty good. You can tell I'm on the ETH short. Let's look here what we got going on. So let's start from the top. ETH has been a little bit crazy. The reason why I shorted ETH is because it already took the high. So let's get rid of this here. We've been having this uptrend here. Bam, taking out highs. Here, we probably should. Do we have bearish div? Yeah, we have. This swings up while this thing's down. If you've never used bearish div, it's the best. That's all I gotta say. I know a lot of people don't use it. ICT traders, all you guys. Just so you guys know, my trading style is kind of like a mixture of Crypto Lifer, Jason Casper with levels, key levels, and then I do use the 200 and the 21. So yeah, here we got bearish div. I've been pretty much trading, yeah, all of this. I've longed the bottom, shorted the top, but sometimes, you know, we get a little undisciplined. We start getting too confident, which is what happened to me, unfortunately. I got too confident, guys. So yeah, top-down analysis. Let me see if I can take some of this stuff out. Jesus, I got a lot of stuff to hide here. I need to organize my stuff. But this should work here. It looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. You can see my short here is already planned out for the day. But let's pull a fixed volume profile from 1st of February all the way here. So we're kind of in the middle of nowhere here. What if we move this down here? Okay. We're back into the range. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if we tapped the POC up there. Okay, let's take that out. Let's see this here. Broke out of that range. We could definitely come back here. That's why I have all I need to pass this prop firm is for it to come down here, which is really only about right here. So, oh, actually only like right here, like right there. What is that, 1,800? What do I got my take profit at? 1,900, so could go lower. But, okay, yeah, top-down analysis, RSIs, prices. We got hidden bull, actually. Prices swinging up. Nah, I wouldn't call that. What do we have here? Yeah, this swings up while this thing's down. So we got hidden bullish there on a daily. It's pretty crazy here if you can't see it. So price is swinging up. Wow. RSIs, I'm pointing down. You don't see that as much on this one. It's kind of even. But it's still got some bearish here and then. So we could take out the high one more time. I mean, maybe I should be looking into getting out of this and taking some profits. Let's take a look here. How we looking on the small time frames? Got VWAP. It's kind of could be creating some sort of bear flag into VWAP, and then see the measured move. And yes, I do use patterns. I like patterns. Oh yeah, I mean that could be easily happening. or it just comes down and I'm funded. Who knows? But that was just kind of to give you guys the idea of how I got into the short. We got beneath VWAP, we retested it, got above it this morning. Didn't take out the high. Probably just a liquidity sweep. It's a Monday, false move Mondays. Here's your false move. Bam, go down. So we might come down here and definitely get my, I'm going to take profit here. Who knows? Maybe I'll stay on until it takes to take profit so we can watch that go down. But, yeah, so I've been trading about 6 years. Let's watch this. Been trading about 6 years. Just quit my job. Just so you guys know, when I say I quit my job, I mean I quit my 6-figure job. I was en route to make 100K. I've only been working at the job for like 6 months. Like 7 months, and they got me a car. I didn't have to pay for gas. It was like the coziest job ever, right? For anybody who's working, I don't know, minimum wage or whatever. I've always been in sales. I highly recommend you being in sales. It's very stressful. However, it does pay well. It pays more than the average job. I've been in sales for a very long time. I was previously in the military, but then I was kicked out of the military as an infantry officer. Yes, that is correct. Just dropped the bomb on you. I'll tell that story another time. But after the military, I did my first job was like a door-to-door job or something like that, and I did pretty well actually for a beginner, and I would think I only lasted like a month. They were psychotic, dude, like super psychotic, typical like MLM type of sales job. And I remember the boss, man, he would wear a suit. He drove like an i8. And I was like, dude, I want to be like that guy. And it was financial services too. It was like people who were like close to being bankrupt, and instead of going bankrupt, we basically negotiated the price, the debt, consolidated it, and you made monthly payments on all of it with like zero interest. That was like the hook, right? Like 0 interest, you don't pay anything, and you get all your debt cut in half. That was like the pitch, and that was cool, but it only lasted a month. I think I made. One of my commissions was like $2,500, and I was like, holy shit. But then like my pants ripped. We had to wear a suit. Literally had to wear a suit when I went door knocking. And I drove an Audi A4 back then. Like a new one, 2017, new interior. It was sick. And I felt like a boss. But one day my pants ripped while it was raining outside. And I called my boss, and I was like, hey man, my pants just ripped. And he was like, okay, do you not have extra pants in your car? And I was like, no, I don't keep extra pants in my car. He's like, well, go to Walmart and go pick up some pants and keep knocking. And I was like, dude, I'm not freaking doing that. Are you kidding me? I am not doing that. So I quit the next day, or whatever, within the week. And that was my first job out of the Army. Crazy story. And then I worked for Amazon, CarMax. Maybe I'll save those stories for later. But I just wanted to kind of hop on here and show you guys what's kind of going on. I'm going to share my trading journey. It's going to be a tough one, guys. I mean, I've been profitable. I've been not profitable. I've been doing this for a long time. I have some savings, and I'll talk about that. I'll pretty much this will be a channel where I'm just sharing. I don't really care if you follow my technical analysis. I'm not going to sell you anything. I may start a Discord just so like we can all talk and share our ideas. And I've been through a lot of stuff. I've been through a lot of jobs. I'll tell you guys how old I am. I'm 30 years old, about to be 31. And yeah, I just feel like I'm not where I'm supposed to be in life right now. But trading has definitely made me really lazy, man. With jobs, I just don't have the patience. Literally, I could, if this was funded, I could just close it out $2,500 and bam, payout, right? $2,500. My last role, the one I just quit, to make $2,500, man, that would take me like half a month in commissions. And I had a solid salary, man. I had a 70K salary, I think it was. But I'd rather be happy and honestly just take trading more serious, take it to the next level. Definitely seen myself have the ability to do it, and I know that every trade that I lost and liquidation that I had has been totally my fault. And in the way that I'm going to take accountability, it's through this, right? It's through my actions and in the charts. And as long as I'm disciplined, I should have no issues making way more than 2,500. This is just one trade, right? If I just have to do this a couple times a week, and I've done it before, it's just I get undisciplined, you know? I don't know. I think this is just a bag test. Look at that. Bag test. And bang. And we out. And we're funded in this account. And I have more money rolling in, you know, if anything does happen. This is not my last like dollar, but nobody likes to lose money. No one likes to lose money. As far as like what we got going on here, I mean, we lost a trend there. I mean, we could easily come back to the bottom of this, and there's a high volume node there. But this is a trade for the day. It's my first video. I'm not sure. I'll post every day. It's gonna be. I'm basically gonna, after I'm already in a trade, I'm going to do kind of like a review of the day, go over my trades, show you what I do. You can follow what I do or not. I don't really care. I just always wanted to start this YouTube thing. And I think this is like the best way that I wanted to. I've actually had multiple YouTube channels. This is not my first. I've done automation. I've done YouTube shorts, just in different like niches. I've never really tried in trading niche. But yeah, that is all, guys. And on Trader 11, 1111 is actually my favorite number. I am very big into numbers and like 333, 222s and all that. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see what's going on here. I mean, this thing's probably just gonna chop. Like, it's probably gonna chop between here. Maybe my entry's right here. Or actually take it. Let's look. Close this out. This is Bitcoin here. There's a little bit of a order block here. I mean, if we get above that, if we like, then I'd be scared. You know, if we did something like this here, you just bam, right? Maybe come into here and go there. Or hell, if it breaks that range, retest and then goes. Any of those are possible. And then VWAP, you know, maybe stops it or does it. We'll see. Like that. And that could be another short there as well. You know, somewhere around here. Kind of hard to maybe there, down to here. Yeah, almost gives you 3-to-1. So that could be a trade for you if you're not already short like I am. Like I said, my long-term thesis for here is, where did I have those? Not horizontal raise. What is it? Oh, come on. Yeah, no, it's not that, but we have this trend line kind of going on here. Can play with it a little bit. Maybe go here. Yeah, we kind of already did that. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. Really right where I kind of want it to go. This is also another long here. We got the 786 fib. Let's clean that up a little bit. Let's leave that on. Take that out. And we have a daily as well there. Yeah, this could be a zone. Too long as well. Set it here. Take out the highs of Bitcoin here. 6-to-1 or something, but it looks like we're coming down. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. I mean, this is a bear flag if I ever seen one before. Could go way past my target. Shoot, guys, we might get funded. I just got this like this morning. I knew that the opportunity was there. Like I got liquidated probably like here. I probably bought the breakout account here, and I actually shorted initially up here. Can't kind of look like it was gonna come back on me, so I think I closed it in profit, and then I re-entered here. I longed a little bit here, scalped that on Bitcoin, and yeah, then I opened another ETH short here. And I mean, yeah, this looks like it's coming down, guys. Looks like it's coming down. Let's see if we get to take profit. If this takes too long, I'm not gonna do it. Like, see if it gets another bounce like that, and it goes up here, and then we chop here all day and then drop down. Then I might end the video. But let's see what it does. Let's see what it does here. How's it looking? Let's look at the 5. Turn all that shit off. Sometimes it gets too noisy down there at the bottom, you know? Let's see what the VRVP looks like. Oh yeah, man, massive gap. I mean, 1900. Yeah, right around there. Oh, we might get this live, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come down here. Let's get this breakout prop firm. Account ready to go. So we can freaking revenge trade all the way back to what I freaking lost. God, that's so annoying, guys. That is so annoying. But it is what it is. Yeah, we'll sit here and watch it for a little bit. Just got a text from work. I think like in 2 days, or tomorrow is my last day of work, actually. So I'm responding to that. Put on some tunes maybe. I don't know if it'll pick it up. Like, let's say I play some music. Will it will it play through the audio on the screen share?
This is my Whoop.
This is my
It's a wearable I use to track my sleep, recovery.
Okay, we got an ad there. Let's get. There you go. Hopefully that works. If it doesn't work, oh well. It's my first video. I don't really care. I don't really care. Let's get this baby. Let's get this baby. Come on. Drop already. I cannot fail this account. And if this goes well, I might buy another one and you know, pass the eval. Not too sure. Let's see though. Let's see. It looks like it wants to come down. It wants to come down hard. I mean, there's a lot of liquidity down here. I'm afraid that it's gonna like just edge me, and then I don't pass the account. So yeah, you can see here. Oh, got an alert. USDT. Let's see. Oh, USDT is breaking out. This is the opposite of Bitcoin, by the way. This is the opposite. USDT is the opposite of Bitcoin. If USDT is pumping, Bitcoin's dumping, which it looks like it is. So we didn't get this idea. Don't take that idea. That was just if it does happen, right? Let me delete that. What do we got here? Just took the low. So that means that ETH will eventually take the low. Or not. It looks like it's kind of wanting to form a bullish div there. So let's watch. Let's go down to maybe we got some in on the 3. We dipped into a pool of liquidity. I mean, guys, this could reverse. Maybe I should open a long here. Maybe I should open a long. Should I open a long? Sunday, not even Sunday's low. This is Sunday's low. Let's see. Let's see if we got anything. Monday low. Previous week low. Yeah, this is called Spaceman. BTC key levels, and it just shows you like previous day, Monday's high, weekly open, daily open, all those things. If you don't know what that is, maybe I'll explain it in another video. But let's see, guys. Oh, this is looking promising. Now what I really would like to see for me to go long is break out of that good strong push, maybe come down and go. And then I would long this, right? That's what I'd like to see if I am gonna go long. Let's watch that. Yeah. Thing is, it could be just a back test, you know. That's the thing you never know about trading. It's you're really just taking probabilities. But we're getting into, it's 11:41, almost lunchtime. I don't expect this to happen, honestly. And then maybe we reclaim VWAP, and then you get into the short, and you see how I'm like building different scenarios here. But again, that's why you have to do it in trading. You never really know. This could just completely dump. Get some bullish div there with 112. This swings down. Nah, I don't like that. It's ETH looking. Oh, ETH, okay. Let's take that off. What if we did this? That's why I love using this. Stand to the right. Yeah, this is called the fixed range volume profile. You kind of like, you can see ranges really easily, point of controls, places where price likes to go to, and you can just trade literally from the bottom to the top, from the top to the bottom. I like taking trades from the POC because then you have a defined low. You know where you can put your stop loss. I didn't tap it very well there. But let's see here. What's Bitcoin doing? Yeah, who knows? I really just wanted to get funded today. But I don't know if that's going to play out or not. I mean, it could, again. You could literally just, and then come back down. Just get a few touches. I'm not too sure if I want to get out of this. I mean, guys, this could be the higher low of the trend, you know. I think this is a 382. So that means it's just really strong trend up if it stops at the 382. Let's see. Low to the high. Yeah, it went a little deeper than the 382. Almost to the 5. So it's holding at 382. I don't know. I don't know if I want to sit here and watch it, especially through lunch. I hate lunchtime. Like around this time, once it starts getting to 12 and New York's freaking getting their burgers, the greasy food, whatever the hell they're getting. Might end the video here. All right, guys. I hope you come back to my channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Please put a comment down below if you are a trader trying to make it. And remember, the guys, that you are the opportunity. Every day is an opportunity. That's why I don't give up in trading. If you give up on trading, you're pretty much giving up on yourself, because we all know how to trade. It's really just comes down to discipline. Discipline, taking the right trades, staying consistent. And that's what we're all going to be about in this channel. It's going to be my growth, my documentation of my growth, my trades, my life. And yeah, guys, I hope you have fun. Be safe out there and be blessed. Peace.